Hey, UGG fam. Welcome back to Urban Girl Gardening and Lifestyle. I am here with my beautiful daughter, Sanai.
Hey!
Hey, Sanai. And we are doing a Bros with Hose, a plant unboxing.
Hilarious.
Yeah. What a name, right? Anywho, so we ordered these plants about a week ago, somewhere around a week, 5 to 7 days. And as you can see, they were not playing about packing. That is a lot of packing peanuts, and yeah, I think the plants were secure. I think they
Yeah.
had a safe trip
There were peanuts like between the leaves.
everywhere. So, Bros with Hose, we ordered 4 plants, one of which was for Miss Sanai here. And the others were to decorate our new plant shelf. Yeah, I have one plant there now, and it was getting kind of lonely, so it's time to bring in some buddies. So we're gonna go ahead and get all these plants out of here, y'all. It was like digging for gold, and we're gonna get the plants out of there. And while we do that, y'all go ahead and subscribe, like and subscribe, leave me a comment, and then after you finish watching the video and you loved it and all that, go ahead and share it.
You will.
Become a member of the UGG fam.
Do it.
Oh, is that a dare?
No, it's a demand.
It's a demand. She is demanding y'all to subscribe. All right, let's get these plants out of here. Now, the plants were very secure. They really, all jokes aside, they really did do a good job. But look at all those peanuts we still pulling out of there. Anyway, we're going to just toss those out and get to showing you guys what we got. So, Sanai, you're going to open the first one here, and I think this was the plant that we ordered for you, right?
Yeah, the first plant was, yeah.
Yes, and this one is called a Peperomia Hope.
It's a very beautiful name.
So why did you choose this plant? Because this is the one you actually picked out.
Well, I felt as though I needed a little bit more hope in my life, honestly.
Oh, my baby. She's such a poet. Did you know it?
I knew it.
Yeah, you got it from me. Now that is a very beautiful plant, and I believe it is in the succulent family, so it's easy to care for, and your room gets a lot of good light, so your plants actually do really well in here. And look, I mean, come on now, it traveled for, I think it shipped on the 15th, and we opened these on what, the 20th, I think. And look how good, like, there's no yellowing leaves. They're in really good condition.
Beautiful condition.
Yeah. And now this next plant is a plant that I have wanted for a very long time. And I don't know why I never bought one. I think, oh, I know why. I was waiting on your aunt to get me a cutting.
Ooh.
Of hers, because her ZZs are doing amazing. But look at this ZZ, y'all. Okay, so let's, real quick, I'm going to tell you guys the prices for these plants were from $12, and I think the most expensive one was maybe $18.
Yeah.
But I'm going to say, for those prices, to be getting potted plants, like really developed plants, and not like starter plants like you would get from Etsy, is freaking awesome. Like, those plants are strong and grown and healthy.
Yeah, very healthy.
Yeah, very, very healthy. And yeah, that was the ZZ plant. And this one, let's see what we got up in here. Which one was this?
I think that it was, I think it was money tree.
Oh, yep, I see. Okay, so yes, this was the money tree, and y'all, all my attempts to try to help her open it. Look, she ain't even need me. She ain't even need me. Look at that. Oh my gosh, great condition. Go ahead, girl, make it rain, make it rain. Look, we had so many peanuts, we made it rain nuts. Pause. Anyway, so this is the money tree, and as you can see, it also arrived looking really healthy.
It's in beautiful, beautiful condition.
Except for that spot on the leaf, but we will talk about that later. I did think that that was some kind of bug damage, but it's not. I figured it out. Well, I guess I'll tell you now. It's actually a sunspot. Like it got sunburned or something like that.
Leaves can get sunburned?
That's why all of the plants that we ordered, they all like indirect sunlight. If they get like direct sun on them, they will burn because the leaves are super sensitive, and that's what makes them really good houseplants.
I see.
So this is this the last one? Is this number 4 already?
Yeah.
Ah, Yes, it is. This is the Acmea Shantini Rebecca.
Rebecca,
Hey girl.
Becky with the good leaves.
I guess so. And yeah, so me, I'm over there on the struggle bus, you know, trying to get the plastic off, but that's okay. Wait till you guys see this. So this one, the Acmea Shantini, this is a part of the Bromeliad family, and I love bromeliads. I usually get them from Lowe's, but I've never gotten this variety before. And look at those leaves. It's also called a zebra plant. Yeah.
Because of the stripes.
Yeah, because of the stripes. And the leaves are really, really nice. The stems are thick, and we were cutting our fingers up trying to get the peanuts out of there because they are like jagged and serrated.
Very
but
prickly.
Yeah, those are our plants. And that's another one that it is, although it's tropical, it just needs like a little bit of humidity. And look, see how happy we were. And you know, all these plants, they need indirect light, and they'll do good in a low light or bright indirect sunlight. And I have the window closed now for lighting purposes, but you'll see. You guys will see at the end. I'll show you the setup and how everything looks. Anyway, thank you, Sanai, for joining me.
You're very welcome.
You made a really great plant selection there. And look, don't they look cute?
They are.
Yeah.
They're really cute.
The plants look cute too.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh, yes. Tell them again before you leave.
Like and subscribe.
All right, y'all. I'll see you in a second to show you how I get ready to take care of my plants before they go into their permanent home. All right, guys, so we are back, and I'm going to show you how I prepare my new plants to go into their permanent space. Now, some people like to isolate their plants for a few weeks, and that's smart, I guess, and that's nice, but I don't have that kind of patience. So what I do is I take a spray bottle, and the spray bottle usually has dish detergent and peroxide in it, diluted with water, and I just spray all the leaves, and I clean each leaf one by one. So that's what you are seeing me do here. I spray all around with a paper towel, and I just take my time and clean each leaf. After I do the leaf cleaning, I get rid of some of the soil that the plant came with. You can get rid of all of it if you want to. I tend to just take some of the soil away and give it a good spray down. Sometimes I'll just dip like the whole root ball into the water. You see I have a container of water there that also has dish detergent and peroxide in it. But for this plant, I didn't do that. But you'll see, depending on what the roots look like, what kind of plant it is, that's how I make that decision, whether I'm going to dunk it all in there or I'm just going to spray. Now, the peroxide is good for, it's antibacterial and antifungal. So whatever bacteria and stuff is in there, I'm just like trying to nip in the bud right away. And a dish detergent, y'all, we know because we use dish detergent for bug spray in our garden. Bugs do not like dish detergent for whatever reason, and I'm glad for that reason. They do not like them. So I am spraying the leaves. Again, here's the ZZ plant, spraying the leaves. Now you see these roots are super thick, so I am going to go ahead and dip those in the dish detergent and peroxide water mixture, and I'm not gonna dry them off. I'm just gonna like pat them a little bit, and oh, I'm gonna spray some more, it looked like. And so same thing, I'm spraying the top of the soil as well, as like layer by layer. Each layer that I put in, I spray on top, and now it's going into its permanent home. And I'm going to do the same thing again, which you will see with the money tree. And now my daughter, she went ahead and just sprayed the leaves of her Peperomia Hope. We really don't want to mess with succulents too much, so we'll just keep an eye on her plant and just make sure that there are no buggies in it. Okay, so now I'm doing the money tree and getting it all cleaned up and spraying. And you guys see that white spot there that I was talking about earlier? So what I was concerned about, that it might have been leaf miner damage, but I'll insert a picture of what leaf miner damage looks like, and that's not it. I'm sure that it's a sunspot because it looks bleached, not see-through. So now the leaves are clean and it's going into its permanent home, and we're going to get it all snug, and I will show you guys how it looks on the shelves. And there it is. So I have the grow lights on only because I closed the curtain and I wanted you guys to see how pretty it looks with the purple and blue lights in the background. But when the curtains are open, which you guys will see in a second, we get good light. That's an arrowhead plant that came from my mother-in-law. Her place, I adopted her plants after she passed away. Rest in peace, Betty. Yeah, so that is what it looks like with regular daylight. Again, we get a lot of good indirect sunlight there, and they look great. Stay tuned for the next unboxing because we got more plants to add to this shelf. Learn with me, grow with me. Thank you guys for being here. I love y'all for real. Bye.